Welcome back. As we join the flight, I am going through my initial before landing checklist.
Mixture rich. Prompt is okay. Approach procedure has been reviewed. It's going to be visual approach. Nav systems, airspeed. Okay. Situation is about 15 miles from the airport. We're at 5,000. We really need to be thinking about getting down lower.
I am nearing Hickory Regional, level at 5,000, and until cleared by Atlanta Center, I cannot descend.
November 193 Alpha Alpha, Atlanta Center 134.55.
Currently, the autopilot is on and flying the aircraft.
And 98 Juliet Golf will take lower when you can get it.
98 Juliet Golf is going to maintain 3,600. That's going to be the lowest I'll be able to give you.
No problem. Out of 5 for 3.6 for 98 Juliet Golf. Okay, 3,600. Let's go ahead and turn off altitude hold on autopilot. Start her on down.
November 3744 Golf traffic 1 o'clock. 2 miles, fiercely northbound altitude indicates 4,000. Type unknown altitude unverified. 3744 Golf, we are looking.
When this was recorded, one should keep in mind that the U.S. federal government was in shutdown due to a congressional budget dispute. Air traffic controllers were working without pay, for which I give these dedicated professionals my most sincere appreciation, and thank them for keeping the air traffic control system working.
Atlanta Center, Cessna 759er Golf Foxtrot, take the inbound.
Alright, I have 2 aircraft calling over 759 Golf Foxtrot, roger. Traffic is about 5 miles east of States, indicating 2,500 feet. Inbound interstate still. Radar service is terminated. You can change our advisory frequency approved. Report outbound.
Okay, we'll change the advisory and report, come back with you on the outbound.
Willis call. Seven 320 Hotel Atlanta Center, roger. Try to use altimeter 3027.
128.15.
3027.
Let's jump ahead a little bit.
Actually, number 55 Lima Charlie, Atlanta.
55 Lima Charlie, go ahead.
55 Lima Charlie, clear from Statesville Airport to Bravo Tango Romeo Airport. You get direct Barrett's Mountain at file, maintain 5,000, expect flight level 380, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 125.15. Squawk 1134, hold for release, advise when you're, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
625 Tango Romeo, Barrett's Mountain, that's 5,000. 2515 and 34, release,
5 Lima Charlie, be back correct. 98 Juliet Golf, you got the airport in sight yet?
Yes, sir, we certainly do.
Number 9 Juliet Golf, radar expression, contact your guitar 128.15.
98 Juliet Golf, so on. Hickory Tower, 98 Juliet Golf. Looks like we're less than 4 miles south of the airport, southeast of the airport.
Cherokee 98 Juliet Golf, affirmative. Runway 24 is in use. The altimeter 3015. Just make a right turn, enter the left downwind, and once you get squared away, clear to land runway 24.
Clear land runway 24 for Juliet Golf. Thank you, sir. Well, Center didn't do a real hot job of getting us coordinated with Hickory Tower, but we will make do here.
TLS here,
Coming
Roger,
down.
runway, taxi to the fuel via Bravo and Alpha.
Okay, gas bolus tank, undercarriage is down with 3 grain. Mixture and propeller, full forward. All right.
Right here, I am turning onto the left base for runway 24.
We're doing fine. Elevation is about 1,100 feet. Turn on a fuel pump and a landing light here. Gear down, pump on, jump gas, undercarriage, mixture prop. Looking good.
.500. One mile final runway 24.
Those calls are coming from my GPS unit.
Hickory Tower, Cessna 5475 Hotel, ready for departure on Alpha.
Just 75 Hotel Hickory Tower, roger. Hold short. Runway 24, hold short.
Holding short 24, 75 Hotel.
Upper 98 Juliet Golf, turn right at Alpha 2 and say intentions.
98 Juliet Golf, we'll turn Alpha 2, and we'd like to go over the museum there.
November 98 Juliet Golf, taxi straight in Alpha 2. You can park in there. That terminal's uncontrolled, but park anywhere. Just don't block the self-serve fuel.
That's no problem, understand. Thank you, Juliet Golf.
Welcome to the Hickory Regional Airport.
November 5475 Hotel, the wind is calm. Runway 24, clear for takeoff. Proceed on course.
5475 Hotel, clear for takeoff 24. Hickory Tower, Cirrus 154 Charlie Romeo.
Over here in the corner of the ramp seems to be as good a place as any.
Cirrus 154 Charlie Romeo, Hickory Tower, altimeter 3014.
3014, we're 20 miles to the northeast. We're requesting straight-in visual approach practice ILS to runway 24 low approach, VFR.
November 4 Charlie Romeo, roger. Continue as you requested there and report the final approach fix for that approach.
Okay, we'll report the final approach fix for 24, Cirrus 4 Charlie Romeo. Hickory Tower.
That is going to do it for this video. In the next video, we will head across the ramp to the Aviation Museum. Until then, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.